Oh, yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some brown stew snapper fish. So if you're interested, guys, stay tuned. As you can see here, I have some nice snapper wild caught fish here, and I'm going to brown stew it. A lot of people have been asking me, Mother, I heard that you cook brown stew fish, so I want to know how you do it. So I decided today that I'm going to just do it and show you guys. I love the wild caught fish, but nowadays you don't even know if it's wild caught. Them tell you wild caught, but to how things are run, you don't know if a wild caught, but my buy it as wild caught. I already seasoned my fish with like black pepper and salt and thing, and I'm gonna fry it. And when I finish frying them, I'm gonna show you how I brown stew it. My onion, I have garlic, I have green pepper, I have red pepper, I have tomatoes and Scotch Bonnet pepper. Now I'm cutting the fish in two, Cut them in two. I'm putting in some oil right now. Let it get hot. Then I'm gonna fry my fish. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Subscribe, man. What keep you so long? Subscribe. Thank you. Well, now I'm putting in the fish. Oil is hot. So this is what it looks like when they're brown. Like I said, 5 minutes on each side, and then I'm going to cook it down. So these are the ingredients I'm going to add later. All those. Look at it, so beautiful. And what happened, I could have thrown this oil, but since my fish did not burn, I'm going to use the same oil. I'm going to put in all the seasoning in there now and then put in my fish. There it looks. And I'm going to cover it back. I'm going to give it a stir. Just to look at the color, see? Brown and pretty. My fish is all done. This is brown stew fish. Look at it. How beautiful. And I mean, it smells good and it tastes good. You know how we from Jamaica we love with snapper fish. So this is the brown stew way. And you're gonna love it. And if you love my brown stew chicken, which a lot of you guys love, and you tell me how much you love it, you're gonna love the brown stew fish. I promise you, you're gonna love it. Comment below and let me know. Enjoy. One love.